students. So we are discussing chemical equilibrium, correct? So in this class again we are going to discuss examples or problems based on chemical equilibrium. Okay. So here is the question. What is the question? For the equilibrium, that is 2NOCl dissociates to form what? NO and Cl2. Now the Kc value is given. Kc is 3.75 into 10 to the power minus 6 at 1069 Kelvin. Now we have to calculate Kp for the reaction. For this reaction Kc is given and we have to calculate the word Kp. Now what is the relation between Kp and Kc? Relation between Kp and Kc is Kp is equals to Kc into RT whole to the power delta Mg. Correct? So this is the relation between Kp and Kc. Now Kp is what? Kp we have to calculate what? Equilibrium constant for partial pressure. Equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure. Okay. Now Kc value is given. R we know, universal gas constant. Correct? T is given. 1069 Kelvin is given. Delta Mg we have to calculate. How to calculate the delta Mg? What is delta Mg? Delta Mg is number of gaseous products minus number of gaseous reactants. Correct? Delta Mg is equals to number of gaseous products minus number of moles of gaseous reactant. Number of moles of gaseous product. Now delta Mg is equals to, at the product side how many gases are there? Two species are of gaseous species. So what is its coefficient? Coefficient 2. What is the another coefficient? +1. Correct? Minus number of moles of gaseous reactant. What is the coefficient here? 2. So simplified it will be 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Correct? Delta Mg value for this given equation is 1. Now substitute the values. Kp equal to Kc value is 3.75 into 10 to the power minus 6. Clear? Now R value is what? Universal gas constant. If the unit is liter, atmosphere, per mole per Kelvin, means at that time what should be the value of R here? 0.0831. 0.0831 is the value of R, correct? Into what is the value of T given? At 1069 Kelvin. So into 1069 whole to the power delta Mg. What is the value of delta Mg here? 1. Okay. So simplified Kp is equals to 3.75 into 0.0831 into 1069 into 10 to the power minus 6. So simplify the values. Kp equal to, we will get 333. If you multiply 3.75, 0.0831 into 1061, the value will be 333.13 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is the value for the Kp. Okay. Kc is given for the reaction. Kp we have to calculate. Temperature is also given. So by substituting the values, you will get a Kp value. Okay. So this is the first problem. Next problem. The value of Kc equal to 4.24. The value of Kc equals to 4.24 at 800 Kelvin. For the reaction CO plus H2O it gives CO2 plus H2. Okay, calculate equilibrium constant. Calculate equilibrium concentration of CO2, H2, CO and H2O at 800 Kelvin. If only CO and H2O are present initially at concentration of 0.1 m each. 0.1 m each. So this is the given question. Okay. So the given question is the value of Kc is 4.24. What is the Kc value again? 4.24 at 800 Kelvin. Okay. For the reaction, which is the given reaction, CO plus H2O, carbon monoxide and water are reacting with each other and forming your carbon dioxide and H2, releasing hydrogen gas. Calculate equilibrium concentration of CO2, H2, CO and H2O at 800 Kelvin. So we have to calculate the concentration, equilibrium concentration for each reactant and product. Okay. If only CO and H2O, what is CO and H2O here? CO and H2O are the what? Reactants. CO and H2O are the what? Reactants. If only CO and H2O are present initially at concentration of 0.1 m each. What is the question? Any question? Given reaction, write the given reaction. Solution. Given reaction is CO plus H2O reacts to form a what? CO2 plus H2. Okay. So this is your given equation, correct? Initial concentration is given. Initial, if only CO and H2 are present initially at concentration of 0.1 m each, means initial concentration of CO and H2O is given. Initial concentration of CO and H2O is given, okay? But we have to calculate the equilibrium concentration. When the system attains the equilibrium, at that time, what are the concentrations of reactant as well as product? What is the concentration of reactant as well as product? So this is what they asked, okay? And Kc value is given. Clear? So at initially, what is the concentration? Initial concentration of CO and H2O is 0.1, given 0.1. Initially the concentration will be present only because of what? Reactant, correct? The whole concentration will be for what? Reactant. At that time, at initial time, the concentration of product is almost negligible, or we can take it as a 0, correct? At initial stage, the concentration will be only for what? Reactant. There is no product formation. Clear? So the concentration for the products I can take it as a 0. At initial time, concentration of CO and H2O is 0.1 and 0.1. At the initial condition, the concentration of product, that is CO2 and H2, can be taken as a 0. Because at initial condition only the reactants will be present. Okay? Now, at equilibrium, what happens once the reaction proceeds? The concentration of reactant goes on decreases, correct? The concentration of reactant goes on decreases and the concentration of product goes on increases. Is it or not? So this is the concentration of product increases and concentration of reactant decreases. So take the increase in concentration of product as X and decrease in concentration of reactant is also X. Are you getting? Initially, at time t is equals to 0, the concentration will be more for what? Reactant. I have taken it as 0.1 because this is a given data. Now at initial time the concentration of product will be what? 0. Okay, as reaction proceeds the concentration of reactant decreases and concentration of product increases, correct? Now what I will do means I will take x mole of decrease in reactant concentration and x mole per liter increase in the concentration. So when concentration decreases means what? Initial value is 0.1. Initial value for this reaction is what? 0.1. Decreases means what? It should be what? 0.1 minus x. 0.1 minus x. Okay. So at equilibrium, the concentration of CO will be what? 0.1 minus x. And concentration of H2O will be what? 0.1 minus x. And what are the concentration of product? Concentration of product is increasing by how much number? By x number. Okay. So I will take it as a what? X into x. Sorry, x for CO2 and x for H2. Is it clear? Next. Write Kc. Write equilibrium constant. How we write the equilibrium constant? Equilibrium constant Kc equal to equilibrium constant Kc is equals to concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. So what are the products? CO2 into H2 divided by CO into H2O. Correct? So this is the Kc value for the given for the given reaction. Now substitute the values of Kc, substitute the values of CO2, H2, CO and H2. What is Kc here? Equilibrium constant, correct? Equilibrium constant is equals to what? Concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant at equilibrium. At equilibrium, okay? So substitute it. Kc is equals to concentration of CO2 is here what? At equilibrium. Take the equilibrium concentration. At equilibrium, what is the concentration of CO2? It is x. And what is the concentration of H2? X divided by concentration of CO is 0.1 minus x. 0.1 minus x into concentration of H2 is also 0.1 minus x. Correct? Now simplify. Kc, what is the Kc value given? Given Kc value is 4.24. X into x square divided by 0.1 minus x. It means a minus b into a minus b. Correct? A minus b into a minus b. It will be what? A minus b whole square. Or you can write 0.1 minus x whole square. 0.1 minus x whole square. 4.24 equal to x square divided by a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. Expand it. 0.01 plus x square is minus 0.2x 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now take these terms to the old left side. You will be having what here? Multiply that side. 0.0424. 0.0424. 4.24 into 0.01, correct? Now plus 4x square minus 0.24 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 0.848 x, which is equal to what? X square. Okay, here 4x square is there. At the reactant side 1x square is there. So cancel 1x square and 1x square. What remains? 3x square will be remained. 3x square minus 0.848 x plus 0.0424 equal to 0. Correct? Now it is a quadratic equation in the form of what? Ax square plus bx plus c. So solve by using the equation x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, now x is equals to, substitute the values. X is equals to minus b means minus b value is in terms of what? Minus into minus, it will be what? Plus 0.848 plus or minus square root of b square. What is the b value here? 0.848 whole square minus 4. What is the a value here? 3. C value is what? 0.0424 whole divided by 2a. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Sorry, 2 into 3. So if you simplify these values, you will get two values. That is 0.067, and another value is what? X is equals to 0.194. Are you getting? So by simplification, on simplifying this equation, you will get what? X equals to 0.067 as one value, and another value is x is equals to 0.194. Now between these two values, which value we should consider? Initial concentration is 0.1, means when concentration decreases, it should be what? Less than 0.1, correct? Initial concentration is 0.1. So as the reaction proceeds, reactant concentration should decrease, is it or not? So which is the value less than 0.1? 0.067 is less than 1, whereas 0.194 it is more than 0.1. So we should take into consideration which value? 0.067. So x value is here 0.067. So what is x here? Number of moles of reactant and product at the water at equilibrium. Now the concentration of CO2 and H2 at equilibrium will be what? X. So right here, concentration of CO2 is equals to concentration of H2 equal to X, 0.067, and the concentration of CO equal to concentration of H2O at equilibrium. What is the value? 0.1 minus X. 0.1 minus X. 0.1 minus X value is 0.067. It will be equal to what? 0. So subtract 0.1 minus 0.67. 0.100 minus 0.067. 3. So 0.033. 0.033. is the given value. Okay, so this is the concentration of product and concentration of reactants at equilibrium. Clear? So first calculate the Kc value. Initial value I have taken as 0.1 and 0.1. At initial stages, the concentration of product will be 0. At equilibrium, as the reaction reaches equilibrium, concentration of reactant will be decreasing and concentration of product will be increasing. So 0.1 minus x, and this is also 0.1 minus x. As the reaction proceeds, concentration of product increases. So I taken that increase by what? X mole per liter. So Kc is equals to what? Concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. Now substitute Kc is equals to CO2 concentration is x, H2 concentration is x, and divided by 0.1 minus x into 0.1 minus x. So substitute the value of Kc and simplify. On simplifying, we will get x is equals to 0.067 and x is equals to 0.194. Which value we should consider here? The value we are considering, that should be less than the given value, correct? So I have taken x is equals to 0.067 into consideration. Next, x equals to 0.067. X is here what? Concentration of product. So what are the products? CO2 and H2. CO2 concentration will be equal to what? H2 concentration, which is equal to 0.067. Next, concentration of CO and H2 is equals to 0.1 minus X, 0.1 minus X, which will be equal to what? 0.033. So this is the answer for the given question. Okay, so this is the next problem. So read the problem. The value of Kp for the reaction, Kp value is given. For the reaction CO2 gaseous state, carbon solid state, CO again it is in what? Gaseous state. So the reaction between CO2 and carbon dioxide and carbon reacts to form a what? Carbon monoxide is 3. The Kp for this reaction is what? 3 is given. Kp value is 3. At 1000 Kelvin, what is the temperature range? Temperature is 1000 Kelvin. If initially PCO2, that is partial pressure of CO2 is 0.48 bar. At initial conditions, initially PCO2 is equals to 0.48 bar. And that of PCO, what is here? CO2 is a reactant. So initially which concentration will be more? Reactant concentration will be more, and product concentration will be what? 0. So at PCO, that is partial pressure of CO, will be equal to what? 0 bar. And pure graphite is present. Whenever the reaction is heterogeneous system, this equilibrium is a what? Heterogeneous equilibrium. Is it or not? Reactant and products are not in a same phase. So in a given equilibrium, if solid is present, if solid species are present, if any solid reactant and solid products are present, means we should take that as a what? 1. The value for that concentration or that partial pressure will be equal to what? 1. Now, and pure graphite is present. Now calculate equilibrium partial pressure of CO and CO2. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate equilibrium partial pressure of CO and CO2. What will be the partial pressure of CO and CO2 at equilibrium? We have to calculate. Now, take the reaction. Which is the given reaction? Given reaction is CO2 plus C. It gives 2CO. CO2 plus C gives 2CO. Mention its state: gas, solid. Here it is gas. Okay. Now, what is the initial concentration? Initial concentration. If initially PCO2 equals to 0.48, initial concentration of CO2 will be what? 0.48. 0.48, correct? And concentration of product is what? 0 at initial conditions. At initial stage, concentration of CO2 is 0.48 given value, and CO value is what? 0. PCO is also given, that is 0 bar. Next, at equilibrium. At equilibrium, what happens? As the reaction proceeds, concentration of reactant decreases and concentration of product increases, correct? Concentration of reactant decreases and concentration of product increases. Now take that increase and decrease in number of moles will be what? X. Increase in number of reactant and product will be what? X moles. Now the reactant at equilibrium, the reactant concentration is 0.48 minus X. 0.48 minus X. I am not considering the solid substance because solids do not exert a pressure. So I am neglecting it. Okay, I can take it as a 1. Now 2CO. Again, what is the increase in concentration? Decrease in concentration is what? X, and increase in concentration will be also what? X. So what is the coefficient here? 2 is the coefficient. 2 is the coefficient for the word CO. Now I can take it as a 2x because coefficient is 2 now. Okay. Now what is the Kp? What is Kp? Kp is what? Equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure. Equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure. Again Kp is equals to what? partial pressure of product divided by partial pressure of reactant. Partial pressure of product divided by partial pressure of reactant. So write Kp is equals to CO. Write it as Kp is equals to partial pressure of CO. What is the coefficient? 2. Coefficient must be converted into what? Power. Divided by what is the other? What are the reactants? CO2 and carbon. But I am not taking the word carbon because it is present in which state? Solid state. Now, partial pressure of CO2. Partial pressure of CO2. What is its coefficient? Coefficient is 1. So power 1. Clear? Now substitute the values. What is Kp? Equilibrium constant. At equilibrium, what is the partial pressure of carbon? What is the partial pressure of carbon monoxide? It is 2x. Correct? PCO. Partial pressure of carbon monoxide is what? 2x. What is the coefficient here? 2. The coefficient must be converted to a what? Power. So 2x whole to the power what? 2. Divided by partial pressure of CO2. What is the partial pressure of CO2? At equilibrium 0.48 minus x. 0.48 minus x. Here why I have taken 2x means because 2 times the reactant, correct? Coefficient is 2, that's why I have taken a 2 into x, correct? Next, Kp is equals to 2x whole square divided by 0.48 minus x. Kp value is given for this reaction. What is the Kp value? Kp value is 3. The Kp for this reaction is 3. Now put this value. 3 is equals to 2x whole square is 4x square divided by 0.48 minus x. Cross multiply 3 into 0.4x. 3 into 0.48. It will be 1.44 minus 3x equal to 4x square. Correct? Take these two terms to the what? Right side. It will be 4x square plus 3x minus 1.44 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in the form of what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now solve this equation, you will get a x value. So x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Correct? Now substitute the values. X is equals to minus b. It is in terms of what? Plus. So plus into minus, minus 3 plus or minus b square. B is here 3. B is 3. 3 square will be what? 9 minus 4. What is the a value here? 4 is the a value. 4 into 4. What is the c value? 1.44 minus 1.44. Correct? Divided by 2a. 2 into value of a is 4. So simplify it. By simplifying we will get what? Minus 3 plus or minus 3 plus or minus 5.66. So on simplifying the square root we will get what? 5.66. So here there are two values. One is minus 3 plus 5.66. Another one is what? Minus 3 minus 5.66. Correct? So negative value we cannot take into consideration. So I neglect this negative value. So take the positive value. It will be equal to what? X is equals to minus 3 plus 5.66. Minus 3 plus 5.66. 5.66. 0, 0. It will be what? 2.66. 2.66 divided by 8. So x value will be equal to, what is the x value? X value is 0.33. X value is 0.33. Next, when x value is 0.33, now calculate the partial pressure at equilibrium concentration. At equilibrium, what is the partial pressure of CO product? That is 2x. So partial pressure of CO will be equal to what? 2x. So put this value 2 into 0.33 equal to 0.66, correct? Next value is partial pressure of CO2 equal to 0.48 minus x. 0.48 minus x. 0.48 minus, what is the x value here? 0.33. So this will be equal to 8 minus 3, 5, 1. 0.15. Clear? Look at once. So this is the reaction, given reaction. Initial partial pressure is 0.48, correct? Initial partial pressure is 0.48 for the reactant, and at that time the product partial pressure will be equal to what? 0. Now at equilibrium, the reactant concentration goes on decreases and product concentration increases. So I will take that change is what? X. So 0.48 minus x, and this is what? 2x. X. The coefficient is 2, so that's why I have taken 2x. Now Kp is equal to what is Kp? Equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure. Kp is equal to product partial pressure divided by reactant partial pressure. So PCO coefficient is 2, so I raise to the power 2 divided by PCO2 whole to the power 1. Now Kp value is 3, and equilibrium, at equilibrium the partial pressure of CO will be what? 2x whole to the power 2 divided by 0.48 minus x. So just to simplify the equation, and you will get x value equal to what? 0.33. Actually here we are getting two values, one is negative value, other one is what? Positive value. Concentration is never be taken in terms of what? Negative. So I take the positive value, x equals to 0.33. Now what is the equilibrium concentration? 2x, correct? So 2 into x, 2 into 0.33, it will be equal to 0.66, and PCO2 0.48 minus 0.33. Finally we will get 0.15 as the partial pressure of carbon dioxide.